Hey guys, it's me, the Turquoise Beast, and today I'm going to be testing the SSC Tuatara in multiplayer in its own trial series. So the car is on a free try and it is regulated to Golden Max. So let us test the rumors of it, whether it is actually better than the ESCO or not. So in this first race in San Francisco, we start at the pole position and then let us watch what happens. The car is the new king of the game and it has a pretty high top speed and acceleration. The acceleration compared to the ESCO is definitely better because it has one of the worst accelerations. Its handling is fair enough, but it's not the best in floaty drifting. It is so fast that it bounces randomly, and as you can see, the other guy who literally flew in from that place. So also in that place where we did that random bounce, the car had hit somewhat 570 or something before the bounce. So I did hit 600 a couple of times in the air in the Caribbean and Rome and other tracks, but I didn't record those. So here are the ones I recorded, and take a seat and enjoy. Now as we take the final bend of this race, in the lead, that was the first race I had in the car and it was pretty successful. Now in the second race in Rome, we start up pretty much behind in the standings. So in this race, we had a hacker along with us. I don't know whether he was of the shockwave hacker type or an axle hacker, but well, he was a skilled hacker. While most people are paired up with hackers who don't have any skill and are easily able to win against them, the hackers I face are always the ones with skill, so it makes it impossible to beat them. So now somehow we clambered up to the second spot and the hacker is pretty much invisible. Now this is one weak spot of mine in the game. When there are players close to me, I try to knock them down, and that is definitely a drawback because trying to knock down those two players cost me the second spot in the game, as you'll see up ahead. Somehow in this straight stretch without any nitro, I managed to keep my second spot, and while 360ing out of here, I somehow did an extra 360, and I should have taken this barrel down there, but I didn't, and I bumped around. Bumping around was the main mistake which I made in this game, and that cost me the race. So the hacker obviously won. He was 10 seconds faster than me, so well, yeah. Here we missed the second spot by a very close margin, but a miss is a miss. Now this race is in Shanghai and it's one of my stronger races. Just because this was there in the Ford GT Mark II Grand Prix, and though I didn't actually get the key for the car, I had some practice on many tracks. So Pudong Rise is one of them, and so was New York Leaps and Bounds, and there's another race in that up ahead. So here I knocked down that green person as we hit 593 here. Name Noob Forever, I think, and that somehow satisfied me. As I said, it's an unhealthy obsession of knockdowns with me. So here we have already taken the lead, but I was rather nervous because taking the lead so early was new to me. That's how I missed that barrel roll out there and did some more mistakes up ahead. Here we shockwave into the garden where I overdrift and hit the wall. Now we head into the final 25% of the race and I bang hard into the traffic car. It is the most annoying traffic car in the entire game for me. And here I somehow decide to do a floaty. I don't know why. It was very bad decision, but still I somehow won by 10 seconds. I'm pretty sure that the others thought of me as a hacker, so lol. Now we are in the race which I said before, the one in New York. This was the qualification round in the GT Mark Prix, and I practiced it like more than 75 times, so I am a pro in it. And I've never lost a single multiplayer race in this track. This race somehow was weird. We'll watch that. But I've beaten cars which have a rank of more than 2000 above me in this track. So that just shows. So here after 360ing out here, we hit the tarmac hard and bounce up. That's just for starter, so there's a lot more weird things up ahead for you guys. Here it is said that the faster route is actually through the ramp, but I am not very suited to that. And as we approach this ramp here, I go off its side and 360, so it's a mixture of a force barrel and a 360, so that's another weird thing. Here I did a wrong 360. This is not the perfect place for 360ing, but I still did it, and the wall held me up. So that was a mistake and a weird part. As we are nearing the ending of this race, there's a barrel roll down here in Times Square, but you guys just explain just what happened. I have no clue how that happened or why it happened. But the important thing is I won again, and now we move on to the last race in Osaka. Now, Osaka is my least favorite track. I hate it so much. You just watch till the end to see why I hate it so much. So we started in the third position in this race, but the other players were slow to join, so it took some time. The starting, I took the lead very quickly in the start to keep it till the end. So now let's watch just what happens when you're in Osaka. So we 360 off this ramp here, and usually I bump around these turns, but this time I didn't. Now we are nearing the factory, and I'm supposed to wall ride here, but I botched it up. I love the factory a lot because, well, those cute little sounds from the machines are good. Now I tried to turn in the air, but it was a futile attempt because the Tuatara doesn't turn properly in the air. It is a big problem with the car and probably the only one. Now here the other person starts to catch up, but somehow I don't know what, something went wrong out there, so I extended my lead just a bit. Now we reach the expressway part, which I don't understand a lot. This is the part of the track which I really hate. There are so many flyovers and so many roads and so many routes all around. I just don't know which is part of the map and which isn't. Now I hit this traffic car here, and this gives the other person a chance, a very close chance to overtake me. But what happens is I win and he bumps me just after the race is over. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Signing off, the Turquoise Beast.